Minitab Macros. Automating your data analysis. In the era of big data, organizations are overwhelmed with vast amounts of information, so data analysis is now more critical than ever. Minitab is powerful statistical software. It has tools to help users analyze data. Of these tools, macros are the best. They automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. Macros can help analysts. They can streamline workflows, reduce errors, and ensure consistency in data analysis. Understanding Minitab Macros. Minitab macros are scripts that automate a sequence of commands in the software. Users can create these macros using Minitab's macro language. It allows scripts to run tasks automatically, without manual input. This feature helps with tasks that need repeated execution. Creating Minitab macros. Creating a macro in Minitab involves a few straightforward steps. Users must learn the macro syntax and commands to write their scripts. Open the Minitab macro editor. Access the macro editor by selecting File, greater than, New, greater than, Macro. Write the macro script. Use Minitab's macro commands to define the macro's actions. This might include commands for data manipulation, statistical analysis, or generating reports. Save the macro. After the script is complete, save the macro. Choose a name that clearly reflects its function. Run the macro. Use the Minitab interface to run the macro. It will perform the automated tasks. Common applications of Minitab macros. Repeated analysis. For analysts who need to run the same tests on multiple datasets, macros can automate this. They streamline processes and deliver reliable outcomes. Report generation. Macros can automatically generate reports. They compile analysis results and present them in a user-friendly format. This is particularly useful for stakeholders who require regular updates on project progress. Best practices for using Minitab macros. Document your code. Including comments within the macro code can greatly aid in understanding its functionality. This is crucial for users who may return to the code later. It's also important for those who share macros with colleagues. Regular updates. As data analysis needs evolve, so should the macros. Regularly review and update the macros. This keeps them effective for current tasks. Leverage community resources. The Minitab community has many resources. It includes forums, tutorials, and example macros. These resources can offer insights. They can help users improve their macro writing skills. Conclusion. Minitab macros are a powerful tool for automating data analysis. They help users streamline repetitive tasks, improve accuracy, and boost productivity. By learning to create and use macros, analysts can automate tasks. This lets them focus on extracting insights from their data, not on manual work. As organizations rely more on data for decisions, Minitab macros can help. They can improve analytical workflows.